Welcome back to the channel. My name is Michael Bianchi, and today I am super excited. We're going to be heading back over to TAG to see our buddy Tim, where he should have all the paint work done on the Range Rover, and we can move on with the next phase of our project. We just got to TAG, and I think I saw the Range Rover sitting out here, and it looks so good the way it's been painted. So we gotta check this out. So here it is with the white and the black pieces painted super slick. So they got the front extension of the grille painted in the Santorini black pearl. They got the inlets, and even the plastic pieces go in there so it doesn't look like that cheap gray plastic. Got all the black accents across the back. They actually did the front a little different than what I was expecting. I was hoping that this little piece and this little piece would have stayed black, but because it was all one piece, they took the liberty to do that themselves, which I'm pretty partial to. I think it looks pretty slick. Now let's take a look across the sides. Actually gives it a much wider stance, not having those black accents. Now my favorite part is actually in the back. The rear diffuser came out awesome. The way that this thing looks now with the white diffuser and the white trim across the back, super awesome.